something going on and you know you feel sorry for them, but the same exact thing happened to somebody else and you just push that one side. Yes, so me guilty at it, but
good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Click on another video. Devin Di Dakta make a statement and me agree with him, dog. There is a thing called selective empathy. And we as the John public feel more sorry for the celebrity them than how we feel sorry for the regular man. Now, me say me never there go do nothing on this Usain Bolt thing. Because my opinion was the same. Like Devin Di Dakta, me lose my money in a cash plus. Me lose a whole heap of money. Me lose nearly at the time about $500,000 or 600,000 in cash plus. A friend of mine make me join it. And then when me join it, all of a sudden everything go back to blow a Ponzi scheme. The boy who did a run cash plus did there in New York and get fling out because of some bullshit, but end up go Jamaica start cash plus. Me not even hear nothing more about that. Me hear said a youth there will start cash plus. He did have a bag of money and he did have a Russian bodyguard a guard him at Jamaica to blow out. That's what me hear. But anyways, me feel the same way. Selective empathy. When you lose your money and you can't get it back, you just have to find another way to build up more and keep it moving. Hopefully, then the government can recoup some of the money. That security stock agency there, them should have money put to the side when something like this went down. You have the money and the insurance paid, but I don't know what's going on in Jamaica when it comes to that. But we all know, say, Jamaica have a problem with crime in terms of white collar crime. Now, one of the things me will talk about before me play the whole Devin Di Dakta video. In Jamaica, and on the spot news media said it, I realize like white collar crime, them not get charged, them not do no whole heap of time, and them just kinda, fizz out in the system. And that needs to be changed. That needs to be changed. And me need my money from Cash Plus, dog. Up to now, me not get my $600,000 back. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Click on the next video. And watch the rest of this. Devin Di Dakta.
there is this thing called selective empathy where sometimes we sorry for some people based on them popularity, them status in our life, or even the amount of money where them have on. Me guilty of it too, you see me? Cause more while somebody who me know, you see me, somebody who popular, something going on and you feel sorry for them, but the same exact thing happened to somebody else and you just push that one side. Yes, so me guilty of it, but yeah, I think we need to leave that in the last year. Yeah man, new year, new gear. But yeah, that me have to say bless up everybody. Mad thing.